Hello everyone, this is Stan. In the production process of ball mills at JXSC factory, a variety of machining equipment is indeed utilized. Here are the machining machines used in our factory and their specific purposes. Vertical lathe. Purpose: to grind the surface of the ball mill's end cover, ensuring the flatness and smoothness of the end cover, which guarantees the precision of its fit with other components. Horizontal milling and boring machine. Purpose: to process the transmission gear housing of the ball mill, ensuring the precision and strength of the gear housing, which is essential for the normal operation of the ball mill. Horizontal lathe 6180B. Purpose: to machine the discharge port of the ball mill, ensuring that the dimensions and shape of the discharge port meet design specifications for smooth discharge of the ground materials. Radial drill. Purpose: to drill holes in the body of the ball mill, facilitating the installation of support structures or other attachments, thereby ensuring the overall stability. Electric welding machine. Purpose: to weld the feed inlet of the ball mill, ensuring the stability and sealing of the feed inlet, preventing material leakage or other safety hazards. These machining machines play a crucial role in the production of ball mills, as precision processing and assembly ensure the quality and performance of the final product. Each machine's specific purpose and machining steps are directly related to the operational efficiency and lifespan of the ball mill.